what's up there, crew? Matt here with TRW. This is Ask Matt, Season 2, Episode 231. So, a little different question that came in today. And we haven't really talked about this in a little while, so I thought it was a great question that I would go ahead and answer from an older YouTube video. So, Stephanie had a question. Stephanie's question was, Matt, I got your Rhinestones shoe kit, and I see that it comes with the SS10 and the SS6 stones. And then, do you think doing the shoes would look better if I used bigger stones or I used a mixture of stones? Or will it look better if I used all the same size stones? Or what do you think? What's your preference on when you're doing the rhinestone shoes with the super tight glues? So let me show you guys the difference between, and a kind of a close-up, between two different pairs of shoes, where this one has the crystal stones, but it goes from 6s all the way to 16s and 20s, and this one is just 10s and 6s. All right, so the first pair I have here, this is our crystal AB stones, and you'll see when I come in close here, this one has just SS10s at the end there, and then SS6. It goes to 10. So this is kind of what comes in the shoe kits, where it's a mixture of SS6 and SS10 stones. So with this pair here, it's got a mixture of 6s, 10s, 16s, and 20s, kind of all in there in the crystal stones. So it really depends, and you guys let me know what you think in the comments below. What do you like better? Do you like it where all the stones are a similar size? Or do you like it better where it's more of a big mixture of stones to give a little bit more of a random look? So I'm not going to tell you right now because I don't want to persuade you one way or the other on which one I think looks better. But let me know in the comments. Comment below. Let me know if you think the more random, bigger stones, smaller stones mixture, not as much a pattern, but keep the same pattern of the Nike swoosh. Or same size stones, keep the pattern type look. Two completely different looks. Your customers are going to love both of them. You might have a preference, or your customer might have a preference on which one they like better, but let me know which one you guys like better. I know you're going to ask this question, so I'm going to answer it for you right now. The glue that I used on these shoes is the Fusion Tack glue on the website. So I will put the link in the description below because I know a lot of you guys are going to ask that for the Fusion Tack glue, and then also a link for the different shoe kits and stuff, just so you know exactly what you would need if you want to do something like this. But let me know. I just wanted to give you and Stephanie the look and show you kind of what both of them look like. Now, instead of wasting a lot of stones, you were able to see both examples, and now hopefully you were able to see enough to decide which one you like better to be able to do for your shoes or your customer's shoes. So again, thank you for the awesome questions. You guys are what make this possible and allow me to answer your questions and hopefully help your business. But of course, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel right here and click that like button right now. Make sure to click the like button. And if you missed yesterday's Ask Matt, it's right over there next to the cubby holder. All right, crew. You guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Day 3 in-house training, baby. Tomorrow, let's go. Later.